Why don't Bitcoin investors get stressed out during a crash? Because they're always hodling onto something. Welcome to the world of Bitcoin, a roller coaster ride of epic rises and heart-stopping falls. Today we're going to delve into the fascinating history of Bitcoin's price growth and decline. Along the way, we'll uncover tips on when it's the best time to buy, hold, or sell. So, buckle up and prepare for an enlightening journey into the crypto universe. Closing. So hang tight, you're in for a thrilling crypto ride. Bitcoin, the superstar of the cryptocurrency world, has seen many ups and downs. Let's take a stroll down memory lane. Bitcoin, the first ever cryptocurrency, exploded onto the scene in 2009, a brainchild of the enigmatic Satoshi Nakamoto. For the first few years, Bitcoin was more of a digital novelty than a genuine investment. It was in 2011 when Bitcoin first hit the $1 mark, and the world began to take notice. Fast forward to 2013, and Bitcoin was experiencing its first significant surge. It peaked at over $1,000, only to crash back down to around $300 in the next year. This was largely due to market speculators jumping onto the Bitcoin bandwagon, driving prices up, and then selling off when the bubble burst. The year 2017 was a watershed moment for Bitcoin. It reached its then all-time high of nearly $20,000 by December. This spike was driven by a perfect storm of favorable economic conditions and widespread media attention. However, this meteoric rise was followed by a brutal crash in 2018, with Bitcoin slumping back to around $3,000. This was a stark reminder of the volatility inherent in the world of cryptocurrencies. More recently, in 2021, Bitcoin reached new heights, breaking the $60,000 mark. This was primarily due to institutional investors and corporations like Tesla investing heavily in Bitcoin. But yet again, the market corrected itself, and Bitcoin's value tumbled almost 50% by the middle of the year. Throughout its history, Bitcoin's price has also been influenced by regulatory news. Positive news, like countries accepting Bitcoin as legal tender, often leads to price surges. Conversely, negative news, like countries banning cryptocurrencies, sends prices plummeting. Just like a roller coaster ride, isn't it? But what causes these wild swings? Bitcoin's price is notorious for its volatility, but what drives it? In the world of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is like a roller coaster. Its value can skyrocket and plummet within a short span of time. But have you ever wondered what makes Bitcoin so volatile? Let's start with the basics. Supply and demand. Bitcoin, unlike traditional currencies, has a capped supply of 21 million coins. This limited supply and increasing demand can cause drastic price swings. When more people want to buy Bitcoin than sell it, the price goes up. Conversely, when more people want to sell than buy, the price goes down. Then, there's the influence of technological changes. The crypto world is always evolving, and any significant updates or improvements to Bitcoin's technology can cause price fluctuations. For instance, when Bitcoin halving occurs, an event that reduces the number of new Bitcoins created and earned by miners in half, it often leads to a surge in Bitcoin's price due to the reduced supply. Investor sentiment also plays a crucial role. News of regulatory changes, security breaches, or macroeconomic Bitcoin announcements can lead to large price swings as they affect how investors perceive the future value of Bitcoin. This is why it's essential to keep a pulse on the latest news and trends in the crypto world. Market manipulation is another factor contributing to Bitcoin's volatility. Whales, individuals or entities that own large amounts of Bitcoin, can influence the market by buying or selling in large volumes, causing drastic price changes. And let's not forget about speculation. Many people buy Bitcoin with the hope that its price will increase, often leading to speculative bubbles. When these bubbles burst, we see sharp price drops. So you see, Bitcoin's volatility isn't something to fear, but rather to understand. It's a complex interplay of various factors: supply and demand, technology, market sentiment, manipulation, and speculation. So, it's not just a game of luck, but a game of knowledge and understanding. Timing is everything when it comes to investing in Bitcoin. Now, let's dive into understanding when it might be the best time to invest. First off, it's important to stress that there's no foolproof strategy when it comes to investing in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. The market is highly volatile and can be influenced by a wide range of factors. That being said, there are certain periods where investing in Bitcoin could potentially be more advantageous. One of these periods is during market dips. Bitcoin, like other assets, has its ups and downs. When the price drops significantly, it might seem alarming, but it can also be an opportunity to buy Bitcoin at a lower price. However, it's crucial to understand that this strategy involves risk. Just because the price has dropped doesn't guarantee it will rise again. Another good time to invest could be when there's positive market sentiment. This could be driven by various factors such as favorable regulatory news, technological advancements, or wider acceptance of Bitcoin as a payment method. Positive market sentiment often leads to increased demand and can result in price increases. In contrast, if there's negative sentiment in the market, it might be wise to hold off on investing until the sentiment improves. Factors that might contribute to negative sentiment include regulatory crackdowns, security breaches, or negative press coverage. To make the most informed decision about when to invest, it's important to do your own research. Stay updated on the latest news and trends in the Bitcoin market. Use reputable sources and consider multiple perspectives. Keep in mind that understanding market trends is just one part of the equation. Risk management is equally important. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and consider diversifying your portfolio to spread the risk. In conclusion, the best time to invest in Bitcoin is highly dependent on market conditions and your personal risk tolerance. It's not about predicting the market, but about understanding it and making informed decisions based on your research and risk tolerance. Remember, in the world of Bitcoin, information is power. Just as there are times to jump in, there are also times to hold back. Yes, friends, we're talking about those moments when investing in Bitcoin might not be the smartest move. It's not always rainbows and unicorns in the crypto world, and it's crucial to recognize when it's better to hold off than dive in headfirst. One of those times? When Bitcoin is experiencing extreme price volatility. Now, we know that volatility is part and parcel of the crypto game. But when prices are swinging wildly, it can be a sign that the market is in flux. Buying in during these periods can be a risky proposition. It's like hopping onto a roller coaster just as it's about to loop the loop. You might come out the other side unscathed, but the risk of losing your lunch or your investment is considerably higher. Another red flag? Negative news. The crypto market is particularly sensitive to news events. Regulatory changes, security breaches, or negative press can all impact Bitcoin's price. So it's vital to stay informed and be ready to adjust your strategy accordingly. It's like being a surfer, waiting for the perfect wave. If you see a tsunami warning, you don't paddle out. You head for higher ground. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, you should hold back if you're not prepared for potential loss. Investing in Bitcoin is not like playing the lottery. It's not all about the dream of becoming a millionaire overnight. It's a serious financial decision, and you should only invest money that you can afford to lose. It's like going to a casino. You don't bet your house on black. You play with what you can afford to lose, and no more. So, caution is your best ally on this crypto journey. Remember, Bitcoin is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, research, and a healthy dose of realism. So, keep your eyes open, stay informed, and always be prepared to play it safe. Now that you know when to and when not to invest, How about some handy tips? First, let's talk about diversifying your portfolio. As the saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. The crypto market is volatile, and Bitcoin, while being the big player, is not the only cryptocurrency out there. Consider spreading your investments across several cryptocurrencies. This way, if one coin takes a tumble, your entire portfolio isn't wiped out. Second, set clear investment goals. Are you in it for the long haul, or are you looking to make a quick profit? Knowing your financial goals will help guide your investment decisions. If you're in it for the long term, you might be less concerned about short-term market fluctuations. If you're looking for quick returns, you'll need to be more active in monitoring market trends. Speaking of market trends, that brings us to our third tip: stay updated. The crypto world moves at breakneck speed. News, regulations, technological advancements, all of these can impact the price of Bitcoin. Regularly check reliable news sources, join online forums, and follow trusted crypto influencers to stay on top of the game. Fourth, always keep emotions in check. It's easy to get swept up in the hype when prices skyrocket or panic when they plummet. But remember, investment decisions should be based on careful analysis, not fear or greed. Fifth, never invest more than you can afford to lose. This might seem like a no-brainer, but it's worth repeating. The potential for high returns can be alluring, but the risk is equally high. Only invest money that you can afford to lose without it affecting your lifestyle. And finally, consider seeking professional advice. While there's a wealth of information available online, a financial advisor with experience in cryptocurrencies can provide personalized advice based on your financial situation and goals. Armed with these tips, you're now ready to conquer the crypto world. Hungry for more crypto knowledge? That's the spirit. Dive deeper into the world of cryptocurrency by checking out our other videos. We've got plenty of tips, insights, and advice to help you navigate the exciting yet complex crypto landscape. It's like your very own treasure map to the world of Bitcoin and beyond. And remember, your crypto journey doesn't have to be a solo trip. Share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy crypto investing. I'm Joshua Carnival, and this is my channel. Let us know by like if something from this video was new or important for you. Comment below with any topic that sparks your curiosity or ignites your passion, and let's dive deeper together. Your voice matters. Stay tuned for a whirlwind of captivating content. Your journey with us is just beginning. Hit subscribe and brace yourself for a wild ride.